Okay, next example natin, this is given to be 1 unit again and then 1 unit. So determine the moment at A, B, C, D for the points or forces P is equal to 361 kilonewton. So we have to determine first this one, this loop, which is this is 2 and also this is 3. So 3 squared is 9 plus 2 squared is 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Kunin natin yan. So we have a square root of 13 for your Pythagorean theorem. So next is hanapin na natin yung moment at A. So we have summation moment at A is equal to 0 clockwise to be positive. Diba before, yung sabi ko sa inyo, we have fx multiplied by y plus fy multiplied by your x, which is your moment at A or moment initial. So we have to determine first what is your fx component. So fx component is 361 multiplied by your y, which is component muna. So we have 3 over square root of 13. 1 is your y papunta rito. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, we have 3 units. Okay, plus fy. What is your fy? Yung fy natin dito na components is 361. So what, this is 2, sorry, kasi fx tayo. 361 multiplied by natin ng 3 all over square root of 13. And then what is the distance? Okay, x tayo. So edad nyo 1, 2. So we have 2 units. Okay, next, check natin kung clockwise or counter yan. So as you can see, this is your fy and this is your fx natin. I-check natin kung counter ba yan or clockwise. Okay, so check natin to as your reference for a moment. So ito, ang ikot niyan papunta dito. Okay, so rule of thumb kasi natin, dyan siya iikot. So that is clockwise. So we have negative 361. How about yung fy? Yung fy kasi natin, dyan yung rotation yan pababa. So that is positive. So i-multiply lang natin siya, plus lang natin to, that is your moment A. So your moment A para sa force P360 is equivalent to 0. So that is your moment kilonewton meter for moment A. Next, we have to do summation moment at B is equal to 0 clockwise to be positive. Okay, so ang reference natin is this point. So hanapin muna natin yung x, that is 1, 2, 3. How about yung y natin is also 3. Okay, liitan lang natin yung sulat, y, 3. Kunin natin yung fx multiplied by y plus fy multiplied by x. So what is your fx? So same lang, 361 multiplied by 2 square root of 13. Okay, multiplied by natin yung distance, which is 3 plus 361 3 square root of 13 multiplied by also 3. That is your moment B. Pero we have to understand that ito, assume lang natin. So i-check natin yung points nito. If this is fx, so that is positive. How about yung fy natin? Fy natin is, iikot siya saan? Pag ganito yung ikot niyan, pababa. So that is counter. So ibig sabihin, itong y natin will become negative. How about this one is will become positive. So your moment B is equal to negative 300 kilonewton meter. So that is your moment B. Okay, for moment C naman, hanapin ulit natin si fx multiplied by y and fy multiplied by x is equal to your moment at C. So, hanapin natin yung C. So, as you can see, wala na naman tayong y, pero meron tayong x. Ano yung x natin? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 units. So, kunin natin yung fx, which is 361. X, ito yun ha, horizontal. So, 2. Kunin natin yung, ayan, hypotenuse, which is square root of 13. Multiplied by yung y distance natin, 0. Plus, what is your fy? Your fy here is 361 all over, or multiplied by 3 all over square root of 13. Okay, times natin yung alin po, yung x distance natin, which is 4. So, equivalent to your moment C. So, this will become 0. So, what is your MC? MC is, times na lang po yan. So, we have negative 1,201.5 48 kilonewton meter. Okay? Bakit negative? Let's see, ito i-consider natin yan. Check mo ha. Check natin. So, ito, positive. Pero alam naman natin na 0 siya kasi 0 yung distance from this point. Dito pa tayo magpo-point moment. So, 0. How about this one? So, ito kasi yung ikot niya, di ba ang clockwise dito? Pero ito kasi contradict kasi ang ikot niya is pag ganon. So, that is counter. So, ilagay lang natin dito is negative. So, dyan nakuha yung negative sign natin. Okay, next we have summation moment at B is equal to 0, clockwise to B, positive. So, asan yung B? Ito yung D natin. So, ibig sabihin dito yung pinaka-base natin for your forces. We have X to be 1, 2. How about Y is 3. So, kunin natin yung mga components natin for the forces. So, we have 3, 6, 1 multiplied by 2, square root of 13. Ilan yung distance yan kapag X? Of course, may Y tayo which is 3. Okay, plus Fy natin is 361 multiplied by 3 all over square root of, okay, multiplied by natin ng 2 is equal to moment t. So, check natin yung points yan if it is positive or negative. So, this is clockwise, positive, yung rotation yan. And then ito, rotation nito is also positive kasi clockwise, clockwise. So, we have moment D is equivalent to 1,201.48 kilonewton. So, that is the for moment D.